So today is the 31st of Thursday, the last day of March. And we have opening moves on the 2nd, so that is literally within a day. So we don't have much time, but we got one little job left to do, and we gotta hurry up. This time we are gonna get it down. So today we have our Mishimoto aluminum radiator for the AE86 that we're going to be installing in and replacing my old coil radiator. It's going to be mounted up with the Mishimoto slim fan, and hopefully that will turn out great. Now I was originally going to use this catch can as well, this Mishimoto catch can. I would replace my current one, but it's too big, and I realized I could use this for my other projects. Yeah. So reasons why we're doing this radiator swap is because, well, first of all, we'll be doing a full coolant swap flush, and that will just, get rid of all your old coolant. Second of all, Mishimoto has a great campaign right now, Team Mishimoto, where they offer great deals for car enthusiasts who do regular events such as track events or car shows, and yeah, they want you to be a member of their team, so they can give you a great discount as well as show off their parts on your car, and they will feature you on their page, and that's the whole Team Mishimoto initiative, and it's great. So if you feel like you're up for it, send in an application to their Team Mishimoto page, and who knows, maybe you might be on board and you might get a great deal just like this. So before anything, make sure your radiator is cool to the touch and that your engine has been off for, say, a couple hours. And yeah, get your drain pan and simply start draining out your fluid. And to help, open up the radiator cap. Oh, shit. Yeah, make sure you're ready to catch that. So once that's all drained out, remove your temperature sensor, which I did, which is a probe sensor which sticks into the radiator. Upper hose, lower hose, undo that. Remove the top overflow hose, 2 bolts, and we're going to be splicing into the fan wires right here, and it should be out. This time we are gonna get it down. With the old radiator out, we can begin working with the new one. And first of all, you gotta mount up the fan. Look into my eyes and tell me what I feel. Tell me what I feel. So now we're going to crimp this wire to this wire. We'll give it that much. Slight turn of events. I'm wearing this helmet for protection and full gloves and everything, and I just caught this little bug here. I thought it was a bee because it was really loud, but I don't think it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of this guy first. Hang on tight. So yeah, I managed to catch him. Yeah, slip piece of paper. Look at that, he's an evil little guy, isn't he? Look at him, he just wants to kill everything. So yeah, we basically just filled the radiator till it starts flowing out the top. And if you're curious, I'm using the Toyota Full Red, I guess, antifreeze coolant, and yeah, it doesn't require water. And yeah, we fire up the car and that'll just bleed out the system. Unlike other cars, there isn't like a bleed valve. You know, basically, like I know in the S2000s there are like 2 bleed valves, and you open that up so like all the coolant can like bleed in. But with, I guess, the 4AG, we just start it up and the thermostat will open and we'll just pump and cycle through it and just keep filling it until it's full. Yeah, we'll do that. Also have your heat on the highest setting and just feel for the heat. If it feels warm, that means the coolant's getting into the heater core, and yeah. So just keep it on until you don't see any bubbles surfacing, and then after that you should be good. Alright, and that's that. Hope you enjoyed that little mini series of prepping the car for the season. Drift day is literally in 2 days, and I hope you enjoyed these series. Stay tuned because we're about to do some driving. I'll give some comments on how all the mods I've done so far will add up once we're out there on the road. It's just starting to rain, so it might be a rain drift day, like in a couple days, so yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any suggestions in the comments if you have any. And yeah, I certainly have fun. We pretty much did quite a lot of stuff now that we wrap things up. But yeah. Other notes? Not really. See you soon.